ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. श्री मात्रे नमः. शंकर परम पूज्य गुरुवर्यांक कोटी कोटी प्रणाम. म्हालगड्यांक नमस्कारू आणि सगळ्यांक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. बेट्रुबेट प्रभाकर मामू, ओमकार गुलवाडी मामू, महेश निलेश्वर मामू, गुंजन होसंगडी मामू आणि हांव भवानी नायल तुमगेल घरान आणतू स्वागत करतात. आईच्या कार्यक्रमांतू पैल पंता आवसू आणि धुव वटू नृत्य करचे सती. अनुराधा नैंपळी वजेकर आणि पूर्णा वजेकर तुमगेल्या घरान आणतू सुस्वागतम आणि आमगेल आमंत्रण स्वीकार केलेल्याक मस्त धन्यवाद. विख्यात मॅथमॅटिशियन, कला रसिक, संगीत प्रेमी डॉक्टर सोमशेखर नैंपळी आणि कवयित्री गायिका आणि ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपिस्ट सुधा नैंपळी गेल सुपुत्री अनुराधा नृत्य आणि संगीताच्या वातावरणांतू कॅनडांतू वाढली. अनुराधाने मुंबई येऊन तिगली नृत्य साधना गुरु पंडित वेणुगोपाल पिल्ले आणि गुरु श्रीमती जयश्री पिल्ले हांतलागी श्री तंजावूर नृत्य शाळेंतू सुरू केली. अनुराधाने तिगल ग्रँड गुरु आचार्य पार्वती कुमारा लगी सुद्धा नृत्याचे प्रशिक्षण घेतल्या. परम पूज्य परिज्ञानाश्रम स्वामीजींनी कॅनडा वचू गेले तावळी अनुराधाक तांगेल चरण कमलांतू नृत्य सेवा अर्पण करूक सौभाग्य प्राप्त झाले. श्री सदानंद बजेकळा सांगाती लग्न जायना फुडे अनुराधा ऑस्टिन टेक्सासांतू स्थापित झाली आणि ऑस्टिन डान्स इंडिया ही संस्था भरतनाट्यम नृत्य शिकोवच्याक 30 वर्ष पुढे सुरू केली. ताजी आर्टिस्टिक डायरेक्टर म्हणून तिने अनेक रचनात्मक आणि कलात्मक क्रिएटिव्ह अँड आर्टिस्टिक प्रोजेक्ट्सचे निर्देशन सुद्धा केल्या. श्रृंगारमणी, मयूर नाट्य तारकय, इंटरनॅशनल नृत्य शिरोमणी ह्या पदव्यांनी अनुराधा सन्मानित झाल्या. ती 2018 ऑस्टिन आर्ट्स हॉल ऑफ फेमाची इंडक्टी आसा. अनुराधा टेक्सास कमिशन ऑन द आर्ट्स च्या टूरिंग रोस्टरारी ज्युरीड आर्टिस्ट म्हणून आसा. ऑस्टिन एरिया क्रिटिक्स सर्कलाने अनुराधाक मस्त पंता बेस्ट डान्सर अँड प्रोडक्शन अवॉर्ड दिल्या. Interested in creating and performing works that not only historically preserve artistic traditions, Anuradha engages in art as social practice to build community and bring awareness to global issues. तिगल्या प्रोजेक्ट्सांतू तिने refugee teenagers, girls empowerment, immigrants, social justice आणि climate change असल्या विषयारी काम केल्या. आजी अनुराधा नैंपळी बजेकर तिगल्या धुव पूर्णा सांगाती नृत्य सेवा घरानांतू प्रस्तुत करचेस. पूर्णाने 6 वर्षाची आस्तन धोरणू आवसू लगी भरतनाट्यम शिकू सुरू केले. ती बॅले आणि टॅप डान्स सुद्धा टॅपेस्ट्री डान्स कंपनी लागी शिकल्या. पूर्णा तांगेल्या प्री प्रोफेशनल कंपनी विजन्स इन रिदमाची 2010-2011 अंतू मेंबर आशिल्ली. सान प्राय धोनूची पूर्णाने ऑस्टिन डान्स अकॅडमींतू शिकोवच्याक सुरू केले. तिने तिगल्या आवसू सांगाती US अंतू, कॅनडांतू, इंडियांतू आणि मेक्सिकोंतूय भरतनाट्यमाचे कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत केले. तिगल्या आवसू सांगाती केलेल्या 2012 प्रोडक्शनाक ऑस्टिन एरिया क्रिटिक्स सर्कलाने बेस्ट ड्युएट अवॉर्ड दिल्या. आता पूर्णा ऑस्टिन डान्स इंडियाचे मस्त प्रोजेक्ट्स को डायरेक्ट करता. 2020 Purnana Masters in Dance Movement Therapy and Counseling. Atati Licensed Professional Counselor Associate Zalia आणि Therapist म्हणून साउथ वेस्टर्न युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या काउन्सिलिंग सेंटरांतू काम करता. आता अनुराधा नैंपळी बजेकर आणि पूर्णा बजेकर प्रस्तुत करतली शिवशक्ती.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. श्री मात्रे नमः. जय शंकर.
Sanglanka Amgal Namaskaru. Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here.
भवानी नितल गोमटेकोन शुद्ध आमची गलांतू आमगेल इंट्रोडक्शन दिलेले मक बहुत चांग दिसले बट मक तितल आमगेल नृत्य वर्णन आमची गलांतू करू जायशना तमिती हांची के इंग्लिश आनेची उल्ले तुमतलागी. So thank you to Bhavani so much. It means very much to me because you're my sister. So thank you for that very sweet introduction. Ani Mahesh Mam ani Gunjan Mama ke must thanks hai opportunity ka. Thank you so much. So today we would like to present Shiva Shakti. This is a series of dances set to poetry that describes the various facets of these two enigmatic forces, he and she. We're going to begin with Shankari Shankuru. This is a composition that describes the goddess in her various forms, a composition of the poet Shama Shastri. She's described with a moon-like face that is radiant, and she partners with Shiva as the sister of Vishnu. There's a story that is told here about how it was that Shiva and Shakti came together. Parvati was enamored with Shiva, wanting his attention, but Shiva is deep in meditation and pays no attention to her. She forms a lingam and starts to pray to him. But again, he's so deep in meditation that he doesn't pay attention to her. In the meantime, Madana or Cupid sends arrows of love into his heart, disturbing his meditation. Shiva is enraged that he's disturbed, opens his third eye and reduces him to ashes. But it's too late because he's already fallen in love with Parvati. They are married with Vishnu presiding. So at the end of this piece, you will also see 8 different forms of Shakti, which are both malevolent and benevolent. And this choreography is by my guru, Pandit Venugopal Pillai. It is set in Ragam Saveri and set to Tishra Nade Aditala. Before this, we'll open with a short Ganesh Stuti to bless the occasion. Thank you.
Agajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Aharnisham Anekadam Tam Bhaktaram Ekadantam Upasmake Shanguru Chandramukhi Akhilashwari Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi Akhilashwari Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi Akhilashwari Shri Akhilashwari Shri Akhilashwari Shambhavi Sarasija Bhava Vandite Gauri Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi Akhilashwari Shri Akhilashwari Shri Akhilashwari Shambhavi Sarasija Bhava Vandite Gauri Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi Sankat-harini Tribhuvi-tarini Kalyani Sankat-harini Tribhuvi-tarini Kalyani Sankat-harini Tribhuvi-tarini Kalyani Sadanata-Baladayaki Haranayaki Jagadanani Sadanata-Baladayaki Haranayaki Jagadanani Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi Akhilashwari Shri Akhilashwari Shri Akhilashwari Shambhavi Sarasija Bhava Vandite Gauri Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi
Bhalam Buddha Tahininato
Krishna Sodari Shamali Sakodari Shama Krishna Sodari Shamali Sakodari श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्यामले सतोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्याम सतोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्यामले सतोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः पर्वतराजकुमारी भवानी त्रिपुरसुन्दरी देवी मीनाक्षी शङ्करनायकी शान्तमहेश्वरी सुन्दरी वेदविचक्षिणी गौरी अम्ब चिदम्बरनाथ नटेश्वरी अम्बनकादरी देवी सर्वेश्वरी पंचदशाक्षरी पंचरवासिनी कुञ्चितपाद महेश विलासिनी कारुण्ये लावण्ये अखिलांडेश्वरी सुंदरी चंद्रमुखी अखिलांडेश्वरी श्री अखिलांडेश्वरी श्री अखिलांडेश्वरी शाम्भवी सरसिज भव वंदिते गौरी
Langutong tatingin na tong tatinam tinam dari kita takatinam tinam takun dari kita takatin tinam nam dini kita takakalang takatik tatingin na tong takatingin na tong takatik tatingin na tong
चंद्रमुखी
Next, we have a very special piece that we'd like to present. The name of it is Pashupati Tandavanache. And this is very special for us because it includes 3 generations together. This is a composition written by my mother and Purna's Amama, Srimati Sudha Naimpally. And I'm sure Amma is on this right now. So hello to Amma.
Yeah, she's watching.
Amma has written over 30 bhajans, not only the lyrics, but also the music, set the music to them. And this is one that was perfect for dance. So back in 2012, I decided to choreograph it for Purna's Arangitram. And in the process of creating it into a dance piece, we added some jatis and rhythmic portion to it as well. So the lyrics described the beautiful Tandava dance of Shiva with his damaru or rattle drum that speaks as he dances, his jata or dreadlocks flowing loosely on either side, the serpents raising their hoods and dancing along with him, and Girija Rani also swaying to the music as she listens and watches. And who but to accompany Shiva is Nandi, his Vahana, playing the mridangam, and Narad Muni singing and playing the tanpura. And the audience to witness this wondrous scene is none other than the gods and the sages who are amazed at what they see as Shiva dances. Pashupati Tandavanache, composed by Srimati Sudha Naimpally, and it is set to Rag Madhukans, and setting it to the dance, we ended up putting it into Adi Talam.
Amama, how tuj kate kartasa?
Pashupati Tandava Nache.
Tajum tam, takatom, tajum tam, takatom, tajum tam, takatom, takatom.
Pashupati Tandava Nache.
Tajum tam, 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 tajum tam.
Pashupati Tandava Nache. 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 नाचे पशुपति तांडव नाचे नाचे पशुपति तांडव नाचे पशुपति तांडव नाचे नाचे पशुपति नाचे पशुपति तांडव नाचे नाचे सुरवर मुनि जन गुनी सब आए सुरवर मुनि जन गुनी सब आए गिरिजा बीच बुलारे गिरिजा बीच बुलारे अद्भुत घटना विस्तृत देखे
Drigdim dim drigdim dim drigdim dim the dim takka tom the tom takka chum the chum takka nam the nam takka dim the dim tom the tom chum the chum nam the nam dim the tom the chum the nam the dim tom chum nam the ta takka tom
सुरवर मुनि जन गुनी सब आए गिरिजा राई बीच गुलारे अद्भुत विस्तृत देखे पशुपति तांडव नाचे पशुपति तांडव नाचे नाचे ताल मृदंग धरे नंदी बजाए नंदी बजाए दास भृंगी तब ताल मिलाए दास भृंगी तब ताल मिलाए नारद बारो नाद सुनाए नारद बारो नाद सुनाए पशुपति तांडव नाचे पशुपति तांडव
O goddess Kali, you are
The next piece we present is Mahakali. Now we turn to the she energy, but is it really? In this next piece, the poetry clearly depicts the feminine energy that defies any kind of stereotype or definition. She's fierce, she's protective, she battles with weapons. She will destroy any of those who do not follow with goodness and compassion. She's Saraswati, the creative energy. She's the greatest illusion of all, Mahamaye. And at once, she's beautiful and frightening. She defies definition. This is a composition by Madurai Muralidharan, set to Rag Gaula and set in Adi Talam. Mahakali.
O goddess Kali, you are Shakti, powerfully protective of kindness. You are beautiful. As you ride upon the lion, wielding sword and shield, you destroy all hatred. May the shower of your compassionate blessings be upon us all.
Shakti, 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 Shakti. 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 Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahishasura Mardini. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahishasura Mardini. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahishasura Mardini.
O goddess Kali,
Maheshwari, Mahishasura Mardini. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. 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 Mahishasura Mardini. Mahakali, தெளிவுற மனமது ஒளியுற அதிசய சுகமுற அருள்மழை பொழிவாய் மகாசக்தி மகேஸ்வரி மகிஷாசுர மதியது தெளிவுற மனமது ஒளியுற அதிசய சுகமுற அருள்மழை பொழிவாய் மகாசக்தி மகேஸ்வரி மகிஷாசுர மதியது தெளிவுற மனமது ஒளியுற அதிசய சுகமுற அருள்மழை பொழிவாய் மகாசக்தி மகேஸ்வரி மகாதேவன் மகள் தேவி மங்கள ரூபிணி மகாதேவன் மகள் தேவி மங்கள ரூபிணி மதுசூதனன் சோதரி மகாதேவன் மகள் தேவி மங்கள ரூபிணி மதுசூதனன் சோதரி தேவன் மகள் தேவி மங்கள ரூபிணி மதுசூதனன் சோதரி தேவன் மகள் தேவி மங்கள ரூபிணி மதுசூதனன் சோதரி महामाये महादुर्गे महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महामाये महादुर्गे महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महामाये महादुर्गे महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती मरुगदु तेलिवुर मनमदु ஒளியுற அதிசய சுகமுற அருள்மழை பொழிவாய் சரே மரே மை பதி சா பதி சரி சரி மரி விசா பதி சரி சாதி பா மரி சரி மரி சரி மப சாதி பாரி சரி மரி மரி சா மரி சரி சரி மரி விசா மரி சரி சாதி பா மரி சரி மரி சரி மப சாதி பப மகாகாளி மகாசக்தி மகேஸ்வரி மகிஷாசுரமர்தினி மதியது தெளிவுற மனமது ஒளியுற அதிசய சுகமுற அருள்மழை பொழிவாய் மகாகாளி மகாசக்தி மகேஸ்வரி
We'd like to conclude with he and she coming together in one physical form, Ardhanarishwara. Ardhanarishwara being half he, half she. This beautiful poetry written by the Advaita sage and scholar Shankaracharya, Adi Shankaracharya, is exquisite poetry with the similes and metaphors he uses to describe this form. In working on this choreography, the interpretation that we have taken is that this spiritual, formless being appears in a gender fluid body. So you'll see that although the poetry describes the right side as he and clearly the left side as she, you'll see that in the choreography, we are mingling the two to make it more fluid appearance. She is described with skin as molten gold. His skin is smeared with ashes from the funeral pyre. Her hair, the curly black locks, are likened to the dark rain clouds. And his flowing dreadlocks are likened to the coppery flames. She wears a garland of beautiful flowers. He wears a garland of skulls. She is the creator of all, he, the destroyer. And so this poetry continues with beautiful descriptions of the two. And again, you'll see these intermingling between the two of us. This is a composition, again, by Adi Shankaracharya. And the music is put out by Lavanya Anant in Ragamalika, set to Adi Talam. And this will be followed by Mangalam. And I don't have to say much about the Mangalam because Amchi Galangal tum sagalanke kaltal Mangalam Kanchemano. So I won't have to describe that to you. So Ardhanarishwara.
चापेय गौरार्थ शरीर कायै चापेय गौरार्थ शरीर कायै कर्पूर गौरार्थ शरीर कायै कर्पूर गौरार्थ शरीर कायै तमिळ कायै च जटाधराय तमिळ कायै च जटाधराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय विशाल नीलोत्पललोचनायै विकार सिपङ्केरुह लोचनाय समेक्षणायै विषमेक्षणाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय अम्भोधर श्यामल कुन्तलायै कटिप्रभाताम्र जटाधराय अम्भोधर श्यामल कुन्तलायै कटिप्रभाताम्र जटाधराय गिरीश्वरायै निखिलेश्वराय गिरीश्वराय निखिलेश्वराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय अम्बोधर श्यामल कुन्तलायै कटिप्रभाताम्र जटाधराय गिरीश्वराय निखिलेश्वराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय गरि गनि गरि गरि गनि गरि गरि मंदारमाला कलितालकायै कपालमाला गीत कंधराय मंदारमाला कलितालकायै कपालमाला गीत कंधराय दिव्याम्बरायै च दिगम्बराय दिव्याम्बरायै च दिगम्बराय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय मंदारमाला कलितालकायै कपालमाला गीत कंधराय दिव्याम्बरायै च दिगम्बराय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय सानि द पाप मगमा जडुतरि किटकटकटकटकटकटां पानि द पाप मगमा जडुतरि किटकटकटकटकटकटां पद पसागरि समगरि सनि द पदनु दगदि मितकटकटि मितां समगरि मगरि गरि तगिन तों तदीगिणतु तदीगिणतु नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय कस्तूरिका कुङ्कुम चर्चिताय चितारज पुञ्ज विचर्चिताय कस्तूरिका कुङ्कुम चर्चिताय चितारज पुञ्ज विचर्चिताय कृतस्मरायै विकृतस्मराय कृतस्मरायै विकृतस्मराय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय कस्तूरिका कुङ्कुम चर्चिताय चितारज पुञ्ज विचर्चिताय कृतस्मरायै विकृतस्मराय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय
tam tam kita tak tam 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 kita tak tarik kita tak dim dim kita tak tai tak
प्रपञ्च सृष्टुं मुख लास्यदाय समस्त संहारक ताण्डवायै प्रपञ्च सृष्टुं मुख लास्यदायै समस्त संहारक ताण्डवायै जगज्जनन्यै जगदेकपीत्रे जगज्जनन्यै जगदेकपीत्रे नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय गम पाम गम पनि सनि पम पनि सनि पाम गसनि गम पनि
tajam takita takajum takita jum tajam takita takadimi takatam
सगसनि गसनि किसनि मसानि पम पनि सनि तग
takadimi takajum jonu dimi takajum dimi kita takajum ta dimi
गसनि पम सानि पम गसनि पम गम पनि पम पनि सनि सा सनि पम सानि पम गसनि पम गसनि नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय
शंकरा नारायण शिव
Again, thank you so much for this opportunity. Amgal kale चुकी झाली माफ करा ती please amka. Aji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi Amma.
Hi, Mama.
वा वा भो गम झालं भोची गमत झालं अति सुंदर अनुआकू आणि पूर्णा तुमगे नृत्य पळवून आम्ही सगळीजण मंत्रमुग्ध झाली धन्य झाली
Thank
मस्त मस्त धन्यवाद तुम दोघांके आज येऊन आमका इतलं गमत नृत्य प्रस्तुती दाखल तुमगेली मस्त थँक्स तुमका आता over to Mahesh Mam for his vote of thanks.
Jai Shankar, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Om Shri Matre Namaha. It's a very emotional afternoon for me. I am here, or we are here in Canada because of Sudha Pachi and Somam. And I've known them for many, many years. But I met Anu, Ravi, and Shiv after we decided to migrate to Canada. And it's just not the Kalmandati, the musical genes as pada. It is not just in one kid. Everybody is a musician in that family. So it's a very, very music and artistic family. So I'm so blessed to have known them. And I'm just going to dedicate this program to Somam and Sudapachi. So I have, I'm going to, most of you know about them. And I already got a few messages on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to read that also. Somshekhar Mam and Sudapachi, and Somshekhar Naimpally Mam was affectionately known as Somshekhar Mam, and came to the US in 1961 on a Fulbright scholarship to pursue a PhD at Michigan State University in his beloved subject of mathematics. He taught mathematics at various universities across the world, and even after retirement from Lakehead University in Thunder Bay, Canada, he was an adjunct professor at Carleton University and continued to publish papers and books until 2013. He was a prolific researcher and published over 100 research papers and nearly a dozen books in mathematics. His enthusiasm for mathematics inspired countless students from across the globe. Besides mathematics, Somam's other passion was Indian classical music, of which he was a self-taught connoisseur. He was an avid concert attendee, arriving early so he could sit close to the performers to savor every nuance. He enthusiastically related many an interesting story from biographies of great musicians and mathematicians to anyone who would lend an ear. He and his wife, Sudapachi, hosted many a world-class musician in their home as they brought Indian classical music to every place they lived, including Kanpur and Thunder Bay, Canada. Sudha Naimpally, or Sudapachi, worked as an occupational therapist and was busy mom for many years. She taught Bal Vihar classes in their basement in Thunder Bay for many years. She was actively engaged in community events such as multicultural festivals and India nights, where she and others would cook elaborate dinners and coordinate entertainment. She has hosted mathematicians and musicians and still continued to pursue her many creative hobbies. She's a published poet, and her poems have appeared in numerous publications and have been selected for Editor's Choice Awards. She began composing lyrics and music for bhajans, which eventually have been enjoyed worldwide. Several of her over 30 bhajan compositions she wrote and set ragas for can be found on her CD, Kirtan Karlo, available on Spotify. Our kids call them Canada Ajji and Ajja. So I just wanted to thank you all. Thank you, Anu and Purna, for a great, great afternoon. Amma, you want to unmute yourself? To the unmute press kari. Amma, the microphone or press kari.
I don't think she will know how to do that.
Okay. Thank you. I'll just try to share a couple of pictures when Somam and Sudhapachi have come and stayed with us. I hope the next picture. This is one of the days when we had Satyanarayan Puja at our house. Oh, let me see if I have any other picture. Sorry. Oh, wait. My mouse. Here's one more picture when they were at our 25th Silver Jubilee celebrations of Ontario Konkani Association. And there's one more last picture I'll show. Okay. This is with her sister and Pawan. Thank you so much, Anu, Purna, again. And now Jairam Kambotkon mom sent me a message as soon as the program started and he heard about Somshekhar mom. He said, I know Dr. Somshekhar Nempally from Saraswat Colony, Santa Cruz during my childhood. He was an extraordinarily brilliant mathematician in those days, and I've gone to him for some difficulties in my math problems when I was in InterScience 1961-62. Nice to know that their family is performing today. Regards, Jairam Mom. So now I ask everybody to unmute yourself. Next 2 weeks, we will be celebrating Parignanashram Swamiji's birthday. So 2 weeks will be dedicated to the Swamiji's Janam Divas. So please do join us.